Good morning, folks. JW Solar USA live from Minnesota here. Today's video, I'm just want to show you what's going on with the system. And you guys been watching all the videos for the past days here. And guys, you see I've been busy to bring up all this content for you guys. And on a Sunday today, and just at 0800 hours here, 0800 hours, and this is we started making power here with the new SunPower solar panels that you guys saw I reviewed the last time, and I set them up, and we're running on high voltage, which is a 327 watt at 64.9 open circuit, and end up ordering a Midnite Classic 250 with a 63 amps 250 volt open circuit. And guys, this is just a test, and it's not that sunny outside. The clouds are there, and as you guys gonna see on the end of the video, I'm gonna include the cloud we have there just to see what the system is bringing at the time. So 428, and guys, we are doing really well on a cloudy day when we start the day with the clouds. And I hope the Midnite Classic, and it's already corrected the problems that other things people are talking about. You can see the temperature there is at 47.9 degrees Celsius, which I tested with a probe. I tested everything, the firmware updates, Midnite Solar firmware updates. Everything seems to work well for me. I don't know. So we already put up, look, quick, it's about 300 watts we already made. So at a certain point, you see how we end up. Look at that, 7 amps at 334. Thanks for watching, guys. Another video again from JW Solar USA. Love you guys all. Subscribe, like, and share to the video as usual. All right, take care, guys. I'll catch you back on the next video.